Hi, and welcome to the Product Design Show. I'm Allison
And I'm Vince Penman. In this episode, we've got another great story about concept design, this time challenging the way people think about guitars.
Consumer products compete for dollars based on much more than their features and functions. Yes, designers need to ensure that the engineering of their products is superior to all competitors, but they need to go the extra mile to win the hearts and minds of customers. In the words of design firm RKS, it's not how you feel about the designer experience, it's how the product makes you feel about yourself.
According to the psychoaesthetics philosophy, designers can use Maslow's classic hierarchy of needs to reframe their dimensions of analysis. By viewing where current guitars on the market fit on Maslow's hierarchy, designers could predict what needs were unmet and create concepts for new guitars that would target those needs. The goal for the design team was to create a guitar that would make the player feel better about themselves when they played it. I, of course, would feel better about myself if I had a guitar that could play itself, looked cool, and served burritos.
The RKS guitar made the cover of Business Week's Best Product Design issue without serving nachos. A team of 12 industrial designers worked for about a year to sketch and design the guitar concept. The design specs were simple: a 25.5-inch scale length, which is popular with players, and 6 strings. But the psychoaesthetic goals added a few more challenges. The guitars had to look amazing, and they had to be customizable by the player. They had to sound as good as any guitar in history, and they had to be made in an environmentally friendly way.
Preliminary concept designs and 3D models were created using Creo from PTC, and soon a design was prototyped in a 3D foam model which resembled a Steinberger. The team settled on the central core defined in the Creo sketch with detachable ribs and body shells. The designers saw this as an opportunity for mass customization. It was a natural idea that the body shells and ribs could be attached and removed easily, allowing the player to change the appearance of the guitar by changing shells and opening the design to a potentially huge number of variations. My variation would have included 3D skull and flames that light up. Surprisingly, nobody asked me.
The tone wood used in many guitars come from endangered sources found in rainforests. To eliminate the need for endangered wood, the team looked at using molded plastic for the guitar bodies, in combination with farm-raised woods. But the problem was that most plastic sounded bright and annoying. The designers worked with a materials partner, Eastman Chemical, who manufactured a cellulose-based polymer called tinnite. The 90+% cottonwood fiber in tinnite gave it an amazing resonance, a sound reminiscent of traditional tone woods used in musical instruments. The structural ribs of the design were crafted out of aircraft aluminum. These ribs worked synergistically with the tinnite, transmitting the vibrations from the strings through the ribs and into the molded shell.
By using a psychoaesthetic approach to concept design, this new guitar combines world-class design, engineering, and manufacturing technologies in a package that does more than just look good. It sounds great, and players feel good about buying it and playing it. If you want to try the same software that RKS Design is using to quickly create concept designs, why not download the free-for-lifetime Creo Elements Direct Personal Edition from PTC. You can get it at ptc.com/go/modelingpe.
That's it for the Product Design Show this week. If you like the show, please give it a like on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube, or give us a rating on iTunes.